Hey, do you want to know how animals eat their food? Back up. Welcome to the Epic Kid Show. I'm Trinan.
My name is Manasseh. And I'm Kaden.
And we are your hosts for today's episode. How was y'all's week?
We actually had a game yesterday. We won
Oh, nice. Good job.
for baseball.
How was your week?
Yeah, with the opposite he said.
The opposite of what he said. But you still had fun though, right?
Yeah, but we still won 4 games.
Oh, hey, there you go. And that's
We
still a
won
lot.
4 games.
Did I ask?
We
I won
lost
0
3.
games.
What?
I didn't play.
Yeah.
So we've got to get going. So we are going to do Get Crafty.
Dude, perfect.
Okay, so we're going to be making our very own homemade confetti poppers. For this, all you need is toilet paper, empty rolls of toilet paper. We'll get to that in a minute. You need scissors. You need balloons. You need duct tape of any color, and you are going to need some of this great value tissue paper stuff. So the only problem we have here is that these rolls of toilet paper still have toilet paper on them. So we are actually going to have game time first. So we are going to see who can get the toilet paper off of their toilet paper roll the fastest, okay?
I'm gonna need some.
Okay, just hunch over so we can get you in the shot.
Yeah.
Okay, all right? So, on your mark, get set, go.
Oh, that's a good idea. You're falling behind there, bud.
Nothing won. I won.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
He already won.
Flash. Hey! It's cheating!
Who said? Ah!
You didn't say how you had. You didn't, why are you cutting this whole thing?
I got it.
Okay. Then you're going to want to make sure.
First.
I
No, I won first.
Oh wait.
Oh, you broke your roll. you're gonna want to make sure that there isn't a lot of toilet paper left on your roll
I
here.
need some though.
Well,
Okay.
is it fine if there's like a little bit on it?
Yeah, so just go ahead and like peel some of that off. Don't use the scissors. We only have one more roll. Basically, what you're gonna need to do is you're going to need to take your balloon and you're gonna want to tie
Balloonies?
a knot. Don't blow it up.
I don't know how to do that.
I'll help you.
I know how to do it.
Just tie
Okay.
a little knot, like so. Need
Wait,
help?
wait, hold on. If you like to talk to tomato,
If a squash can't make you smile. All right.
Wait, here's
You got
the
your knot?
front
Okay.
of two.
So stretch it out a little bit. Take
Yep.
2 fingers,
Yep.
pull it over,
yep,
and then go underneath.
yep.
I have a British accent for this. I don't know why. And then now you have a little knot. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so then what you do is you take your scissors
Uh-huh.
and you're going to cut your balloon.
Why? Why?
I need sharper
It
scissors.
needs to die.
Why?
Like
So.
this.
No, like if you.
Okay? To where
Oh.
you're going to cut it in half to where you have your little knot side. That's the side you want. Okay? Now, you will put this over one of the ends of your toilet paper roll.
Okay, I want to do it.
Yep.
I did it. I'm amazing.
Yes, you are.
Did I ask?
And you want to make sure that
Oh.
this is. You
Trinity.
want to make sure that the knot part
this is so
is in the
cool.
very center of your toilet paper
Oh
roll.
no! I got it.
Did you drop it?
No.
Oh.
Here you go.
Okay. So now,
Come here,
once
girl.
you have it over, okay, I can help you. Once you have it over your toilet paper roll, remember you want
To use toilet paper.
this to be kind of centered. If it's not completely, it's fine. Then what you're going to do is you can take any color duct tape you want and you're going to wrap the duct tape around all of the balloon around the toilet paper roll so it doesn't come off.
You're kind of forgetting me here.
Wait, so we put the duct tape around like right
yes,
here.
around right there. Yes, sir.
I got green, so I can do the colorful. Wait.
You messed up.
I did not.
Like halfway or a lot?
Just enough to hold it down. So you don't need a whole lot. You
Like
could
this?
put, yeah, just enough to go all the way around because you want to make sure that all the way around. All right. So you're gonna use black, gray. What are you gonna want to use?
Black.
Black.
Oh what? Oh what?
Black. Black.
I am Moonlight for Moonlight.
Here you go.
I don't know what I said.
You know what? I should have used gray for Moonlight.
Okay. You want me to put it on? Or you want to put it
It's mostly like.
on? Okay.
Oh yeah, actually, it's mostly gray and black. That matches. Oh, I
Okay.
did mine so perfect.
Nice.
Oh, are we gonna be doing like
So then,
this?
what you can do? Yep. Then what you can
I'm
do
on blue.
I'm blue.
is you can choose.
Here, I gotta leave my neck.
Dang.
There's 2 sheets.
Oh,
So
Are you
both
eating
are
the
blue.
toilet paper?
Okay.
what do we
So
do
then,
with this?
what you're gonna do is you're going to tear your stuff into tiny pieces,
I'm
really
gonna-
tiny pieces.
Like how?
Huh?
Like
You could either cut it or you could just rip it. And you don't need to do the whole thing.
Oh. Jason? It's too loud. Whoa.
Yeah, just little pieces will do.
Yeah, now.
And the cool fun is that this is green, so I don't know if my green screen will block my face out or not. But super fun. Okay. So then you could put your confetti in side of your pooper
My pooper.
popper.
my pooper.
I have a pooper?
Everyone has poopy.
Okay. All right. Now this should be enough for right now. So let's go ahead and put your confetti in your popper.
There you go.
Who put the green one inside mine?
I did.
Why?
You have a lot. I'm gonna give some over here.
I don't know exactly.
I gotta wiggle it out. It hurts so bad.
Okay. You don't want a whole bunch.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. So,
Ah,
all right. Wait. I want y'all to do it at the same time, okay? Point it at the camera and say like Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Oh.
Wait, hold on.
That was anticlimactic.
Hold on. Happy New Year!
Hey, there you go. And of course, the smaller you make your confetti, the better it is. Whoa! Cameraman says we gotta move on. That's pretty fun, kind of anticlimactic. It's not the best, but it'll do in a pinch. So, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna address our big topic, our big question for today, which is what is self-control? How would you describe self-control?
right here. This gun. But non-self-control is
Okay, whoa. Yeah, so that would be an example of what self-control is not,
Like, you
right?
have to calm down.
We've got to calm down. So
I don't care.
there are many different ways for us to lose control in good and bad ways, right? And so,
Yeah.
for instance, if we get too excited, something, we can lose control and go a little bit crazy like he just did. If we get angry, we may end up breaking something or being mean, right? We don't want to do either one of those. If we're sad, we might, push those close to us away, right? If we're hungry, we may end up eating more than we should whenever we finally get food, or we might end up snacking and ruining our dinner, right?
Not dinner.
Yeah, dinner. And so that's why self-control is important. So here's some things that the Bible says on the topic. Okay, so we're going to look at Galatians 5.
Galatians.
22 and 23, okay? So it says this. Okay, all right. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and, all together now, self-control.
Wait, suffering?
Long-suffering, which basically patience.
Lungs?
It's another word for meaning patience.
Oh.
Thank the Lord.
So, self-control is a fruit of the Spirit. Now let's look at what 2 Timothy 1:7 has to say.
Hi.
All right, it says, "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but the power of love and us of a sound mind." Or also could be self-control. Okay, so that's another important thing. Now we're going to look at Proverbs 25:28.
Proverbs.
And it says, "Whoever has no rule over his own spirit is like a city broken down without walls." In other words, if you don't have self-control, you're like a broken city, is what the Bible is saying. So we can tell from
city?
the scriptures that we read today.
Well, a broken city is when your bones are broken.
Right.
Or
it
you're
could be,
broken.
right. But basically it says we're broken if we don't have self-control. And we know self-control is a fruit of the Spirit. We just read that, right?
Yep.
And so the Bible tells us that self-control is important to have, right? Would you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are some healthy ways to gain self-control? What do you think?
Ah,
What do you think?
shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth, yeah. Sometimes you have to
Don't move at
stop
all.
and think. Or maybe you could stop and say a quick prayer, right?
Like-
Have the Holy Spirit come over you,
Like, God, please don't.
right? Maybe you could separate yourself from the situation for a few minutes, because sometimes, when we're, in the heat of the moment, sometimes we just need to walk away, right? 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 That helps. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth like 10 times. You could wear a wristband that reminds you to, keep your self-control. There's tons of healthy ways that you could do
Tons of
to practice self-control. So
You should duct tape yourself to a wall so you can chill out.
Yeah.
duct tape yourself to
No,
the wall
no,
so
hang
you
out.
can have self-control and be controlled.
And
No, don't do
no, you have to be duct taped to a wall so you can hang out.
No.
Yeah.
You can duct tape to your wall and get tape, put it on your mouth, and just leave it there.
Yeah, but that would hurt. That's probably not a healthy way to deal with self-control. So maybe just think about what you say
Ooh,
before you say it.
another
That's a good
I'm
way.
just gonna tell my Mom, can you give me Doritos?
Another healthy way is to eat your vegetables.
So we're
Mom,
getting
can
off
you give
track.
me my
We're
carrots?
losing control, so we're gonna have self-control.
Yep.
So here's the thing: talk with your friends and your parents, or maybe you'll discover some new ways and creative ways on how to have self-control. Right? So. Did you catch the secret word? It flashed sometime during our message. So make sure if you missed it, go back and watch it right meow. In the meantime, it's our weekly challenge.
Scissors!
No. So our weekly challenge is to build your own confetti cannon. Use the markers. You can use colorful duct tape.
You can use anything.
Whatever you want. Make your own confetti
But don't use
cannon
the Bible.
and celebrate somebody. Celebrate
Woo!
having self-control. So
I
with
like
that,
self-control.
that brings us to the end of our episode. Do you want to take us out? You still have your paper.
Yep, I'm gonna take us out.
Remember to like the video and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest videos, and please share this video with anyone and everyone
See you next time.
you know. So we will see you next time on the Epic Kids Show.
Bye.
Woo!
Pink is for girls and pink is for boys. So,
Okay,
I got nothing to do.
So,
Welcome
toilet paper,
to the Epic
tissue
Kids
paper,
Show.
My name's
a balloon
My
for
name's-
the balloons,
my name's Jeff.
and the
Bye.
What are you doing on the table?
Okay, now we need to take a picture.
I hit my back.
Is that good? Is that funny?